Everyone, I'm here to walk you through how to create group using Google Meet. Now this is Google Meet app. You open it up, then at the bottom here you see the option for new, so click on that and to open up other options for you, like creating new meeting using the link, schedule in Google Calendar, and creating group. So you select create group, and when you do that, you now select up to 31 people that will join your group. So you can choose the ones you want to join your group. Like we said before, you can select up to 31 of them. So after choosing them, you click on done. And here, at the bottom top here, it shows the number of members and their icons. Then you can start by clicking on the start button at the bottom here, and you wait for your friends to join. That's how to do it. So it's calling the 4 friends for them to join your group meeting. So that is how to create a group on Google Meet. Hope you found this video helpful. If you did, do not forget to like and subscribe to this channel for more helpful tips like this. Till next time.